Hi, and welcome to the 2026 Cruiser Yachts 42 GLS, an American-made sport yacht designed with comfort and style in mind. Starting back here at the transom, you'll see a full beam walkthrough, powered by twin V12 600 Mercury outboards. You're gonna get up in speed and cruise comfortably in the 30s, 40-mile-an-hour range. As we move back here, you'll see both of these doors will open up to expand your beam and give you a nice lounging area back here for you and your guests to sit comfortably and enjoy an afternoon. As we make our way into the cockpit, you'll see a beautiful laid out space, plenty of seating around the U-shaped table here for your friends to entertain and enjoy a full day of drinks, snacks. But the party doesn't stop there. You've got plenty of refrigeration, an electric Kenyon grill, a wet bar, and even a space for your TV. As we get here, moving forward, you'll see your dash area, beautifully set up, very clean. All your buttons laid out nice and neat so you don't have to guess when you click on the screen. Your Mercury binnacles with joystick piloting for precision and ease of comfort. As we look above, you'll see a sunroof that deploys to give you natural lighting on those beautiful summer days. Another great feature on the 42 GLS is the port and starboard opening windows. Gives you plenty of open air when you open up your walkthrough to the bow, as well as your sunroof. Let's make our way to the bow so you can see what's equipped up front. Here at the bow of the 42 GLS, you'll see another beautifully shaped U-shaped seating, easy access to your anchor locker with foot pedals, a table that can be inserted here, but also you can make this a sun pad. There's a filler cushion that'll go in here and make this one beautiful day lounge, a place where you can lounge and enjoy the view. Here in the cabin of the 42 GLS, you'll see plenty of headspace, plenty of entertainment back here. So you've got a TV, more fridge, a microwave, your head, not one, but two berths. So if the party goes on too long, you can extend your stay and do an overnight. For more information on the 42 GLS, contact us at MarineMax. My name is Gabe Adlin. Thank you for watching.